Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to enable direct messages notifications in TikTok. If you want to stay updated and never miss an important message, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Notifications. Step 6. Look for the option labeled Direct Messages under the Messages category. Step 7. Enable the toggle switch next to Direct Messages to start receiving notifications for new messages directly. By following these steps, you can ensure that you receive timely notifications for direct messages on TikTok, allowing you to stay connected and engaged with your TikTok community. Enabling direct messages notifications is crucial to stay updated on messages from friends, followers, and potential collaborations. Don't miss out on important conversations and opportunities. Thank you for watching, and enjoy seamless communication with enabled direct messages notifications on TikTok.